Here is Photoshop productivity tip. Here is triangle shape. Press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate layer. Press Ctrl plus T to transform and rotate it. Hit enter. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus T multiple times. It will duplicate layers and make triangle effect. But it will create many layers. If I want to do it in one layer, press Ctrl and click on layer to make selection. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to transform, and rotate triangle and hit enter. Now press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus T multiple times. It will create triangle effect. On same one layer. Thanks for watching.